What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber, and if you are new, hey, this is Ashley, Divine Girl Ashley, and yeah, I am 18 and I have had my apartment now for about 4 or 5 months, and I'm doing pretty good, if you know what I mean. And I just wanted to share with you guys what I use and what I do to budget my money so that you guys can do it as well. If you have not checked out my recent video on how to get your own apartment at 18 with no cosigner and no credit, check that out. I will leave it in a link in the description below. The first thing you want to do is list out all of your bills within a month. Basically, every bill you think or every bill you know you are going to need to pay, you need to list that out. Here are some of the bills that you may need to write down. I listed out rent, LG&E. LG&E is basically gas and light bill. That's what it's called where I'm from, and maybe called something different where you are. We have cable / Wi-Fi, water bill, garbage bill, pet fee if you have a pet and that apartment charges a pet fee. We have car insurance, we have food, we have others / utilities, which would be like toilet paper, paper towels, dish soap, things along that line. After you have jotted down all of your bills and how much those bills cost, you need to calculate it up. So I wrote down basically a amount for each of these bills that I'm gonna go by. And let's just say that my rent is $1,000 a month. Let's say that my light bill, LG&E bill is $80 a month. Let's say that my phone bill is $50. My gas bill is $40. My cable and Wi-Fi bill would be $100. And let's just say in a month I spend $150 on food. And for others / utilities, I just added an extra $100 in there. Altogether, with all of those bills, in a month, I would have to pay $1,520 monthly. After I've calculated all of my bills within a month, then what I'm going to do is divide that number by 4. If you're wondering why I'm dividing that number by 4, it's because within a month, we usually get 4 weeks in a month. We need to split up our bills within a month into 4 weeks. So $1,520 monthly would be $380. So $380 every week would add up to $1,520. Then you need to figure out how much money you are bringing in within a month at your job. You can find this out by looking at your pay stubs, by asking a supervisor, something along the lines of your job. In order for you to be able to maintain and budget your bills and still be able to afford things for yourself, you need to know how much money you're bringing in within a month from your job. And hopefully you are bringing in more money than you are for your bills, because if not, that may be a problem, Let's just say that I'm bringing home $2,000 a month. What I'm going to do with that $2,000 is divide it into 4, just like I divided my bills into 4. Because, 4 weeks, yeah. So $2,000 divided into 4 would be $500 that I get every week. So after you figured out how much your bills are, and after you figured out how much money, and after you figured out how much money you're bringing in from your job within a month, then we're going to start what is called the 50-30-20 rule. And I'm gonna just break it down a little bit. So the 50-30-20 rule is basically a strategic method to where you can split up your money, your paychecks, to where each portion can go into a separate account. And I should have said this in the beginning, but if you do plan on getting your own apartment, I highly, highly, highly recommend you have more than one account. And I say this because you do not want all of your bills money or all of your savings money or all of your spending money in one account, because that can actually get mixed up, messed up. You could probably use too much for your spending, and then So that is why it's good to have at least 2 different accounts. But me personally, I have 3 different accounts, and I will show you why. So with the 50-30-20 rule, which means 50% will be taken out and that will go towards my bills. The 30% will be taken out and that will go towards me, like my spending. And the 20% will go towards my savings. But this percentage may vary depending on how much your bills are, depending on how much you bring home. So it may not perfectly be 50%, 30%, and 20%. And here, when I show you guys, it actually won't be the 50, 30, 20%. So, like I said, I bring home $500 every week. What I'm gonna do with that is take out 50%. And 50% of my $500 would be $380 because my monthly bills total up to $1,520. I really do hope you guys are following along. I may put up some little illustrations on the screen so y'all can see it. Oh yeah, so the $380 will be taken out, which is 76% of my $500 check. That will be taken out and stored in my bills. And another 12% would go towards my spending. So that means I would take $60 out and put that towards my spending. And then another 12% will go towards my savings. So another $60 will go in my savings. So right there, I have 76% of that check going towards my bills. I have another 12% going towards my spending. And then I have another 12% going towards my savings. And every week, every check that you get, you want to be taking out the certain amount that is desired for you. And at the end of that month, you will be set and ready for the next month's bills that come. And I'm just trying to tell you, y'all, this stuff really works. Even if you currently don't have an apartment, this is a good way, a good strategy that you could use to actually save up for a goal that you have. Taking out a certain percent that is set for your bills every week. So when you add that up at the end of the month, you will already be set for the next rent that's due, the next gas bill that's due, to get you some food, whatever the heck it may be. That's pretty much all I had for this video. I just wanted to really let you guys know, like, I am 18 years old, okay? 18 years old. And I'm affording my own apartment at 18. And I just wanted you guys, whoever is watching this, do not be discouraged because you gonna get it done, okay? If I can get it done, you can get it done, okay? Okay, so really quickly, let me just go over everything that I stated. So the first step you wanna do is list out all of your bills, all of the bills that you have within a month. List them out and total them out. Total them out meaning add them all up, see how much it's all gonna cost. The second thing you're gonna need to do is know how much money you are bringing in within a month. Hopefully you are bringing in more money than your bills. The third thing you're gonna do is divide not only the total amount of your bills, but the total amount of your paychecks into 4. 4 because there's 4 weeks in a month. Whatever the divided amount of your monthly bills are, that is the 50% of what you would take out of your weekly check. The remaining percent, the 30 and the 20%, will be split up into your savings and into your spendings. And that is all I have for you guys. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just so happy. I've been wanting to share this with you guys for so long because we are the young generation and we are coming up in the world, okay? And I'm gonna be that person to step in and help you guys out. So if you did not understand anything in this video, if you needed help with anything in this video, please comment it down below. Please DM me on my Instagram. Please subscribe. Please do whatever you please. You know what I'm saying? Give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, overall, I wish you guys the best of luck on your journey. If you ever need any help, I'm always here. But if you made it to the end, you are a real one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But without further ado, I will see you in my next video. Bye.